And I'll cover one more before I move to the next topic, which is what will this give me? Tell me. If I run this, what will this give me? This last code. Yes, it should be reverse. You're right. Right? Why? Because by writing something like this, I get the exact same list. So in a way, I'm saying my start is beginning of the list, my end is end of the list, and my step is +1. So I keep on incrementing, starting +1, +1, +1, +1, +1, something like this. So I get this as the output. Everyone clear with that? People?
Yes, sir.
Right? When I write a code like this, which is highlighted already, I'm saying my start is beginning, right? My end is the far right end. And I want to step by +1. So I keep on just moving like this, right? But if I do the exact opposite, which is stepwise -1, then what is my start? What is my end? If step is negative, what happens now? So start will be this left side or this. Basically, start will be left or right. That's the question.
Sir, right?
Right. It should be right. Because only when you start here, right, you are able to do a -1. Tell me in which direction I will be able to apply -1 step, from right to left or from left to right. Only when I do
From right to
-1,
left.
right? Only when I do -1, I get a -2. Only when I do -2, -1, I get a -3. So my step is -1, which is where I need to do a -1 to the starting point. And that can only happen when I start from -1. So -1, then -2, and -3, and it keeps on going till left. So this is a special case in slicing, where none of the start and end points are declared, only the endpoint, only the step size is given. And you are told to get the answer. And many people memorize this. Many people just memorize, okay, this will reverse the list. But a lot of people do not know the exact logic why it reverses. And the explanation to that is whenever the step size is negative, right, you always traverse from right to left, always. Why? Because that is how the index values are designed. -1, -2, -3. How can you reach from -1 to -2? How can you reach? Only by adding a -1, na? Make sense? Only by adding a -1, I can reach -2. So -1 is the step that is given to you. So obviously you will reach from -1 to -2, which is by traversing from right to left. Okay, let's run this. And I think I've spent just 1 hour on this topic only. But I'll run this. And similar to this, you can add a lot of variations, right? If I just do a -2, then it will start jumping, right? It will start with the last position and then take a jump, 20 to 18, 16 and all that. So try that also. Once you sit down practicing, try that also. And if I do a +5 here, then I'll start jumping. First position is 10, then +5. So add to 0 index value of 5. So you will reach here. This is the index 5. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then 20, and that's it. And trust me, people, till the time you do not sit down and try all of this on your own, I'm sure the command on the subject will not come. Okay, I can only teach for 1 hour, 1.5 hours. It is the real learning, right, which is required from your sitting and then practicing and thinking of various scenarios. Oh, what will happen if I do this? What will happen if I do that? And also anticipating, okay, if I run this code, I should get something like this. That confirms and that gives you more confidence that my logic is perfectly fine. Okay, trust me, that is how the real learning happens. I can only guide you. I can only tell you. I can tell you start ka relevance, what is that? End ka relevance. When the start is blank, what happens? I can only tell you. And trust me, if you do not practice, after 1 week, you will forget all of this. I can guarantee, I can tell you with a lot of confidence. Right? So please remember, that is the reason I've been stressing. Please find time, half an hour, 1 hour, here and there. Try to practice. And that will give you a lot of command. Once you start writing all of this, you will never forget. Okay, I can guarantee for that also. Once you write all of this and you also anticipate that by writing this code, I should get an output like this, you will also stop forgetting. Okay, so that is what I wanted to convey. Just looking at this will not help you learn.